Let's have a look at the NQ trade that I shared today. This is the only trade I took today because today was very hard to find trades. I expected this, so once I found something that was somewhat decent, we executed it, right? So this was a short trade that I shared on the Mindvest trade ideas chat. You can see that we shorted NQ here, and you can see that we did hit our final TP being down here for around a 2.5 RR. On the higher time frame, what we had was a daily fair value gap being tapped right here. If you see this is a daily fair value gap being tapped, and we had an SMT there, right? So we had an SMT with YM. So if I go in the 1 hour time frame, the SMT was with this high and at this London high. So we had an SMT high up here. Once we created this SMT top, we did create a 1 hour change of state delivery. So once I had this change of state delivery, I know that price wanted to trade lower, and then what I look for is where can I trade price to? So price never went back into this area before tapping out this Asia low, so I really didn't have a draw when I came into that session. But since we made a new low at 9:30 on market open before trading higher, I knew that the next hour candle session, that will be my TP. My TP would be this low right here. You could see here on the 1 hour time frame, we made a 1 hour SMT at these highs that we are tapping into this fair value gap here, while ES did not. And if I go to the 5-minute time frame, you can see after we created this higher time frame SMT here, and we had a V-shaped reversal from that SMT, we had a 5-minute fair value gap which wasn't tapped on NQ, but it was tapped on ES, so we had an SMT here. Took the entry off of the 3-minute time frame, being after this bearish closure right here. As you can see from this entry, we nearly got stopped out up here, but then price did go in our direction and hit TP, and you can see we hit TP perfectly because price then would have hit our stop loss and trade even higher. So I knew this day was going to be choppy, which is why I had a tight take profit and I wasn't looking for expansions, and you can see it worked out perfectly. And you can see that this was my trade position right here that we shared. Yeah, so I hit TP on that, and was a very good day. Everyone caught this trade on the Mindvest chat, and we go again tomorrow.